Mr. Sai Krishna Reddy, many congratulations on securing All India rank 8 in mechanical engineering in Engineering Service Examination 2020.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Well done, Sai Krishna. Please tell us about your educational background briefly.
Sir, I have done my graduation in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, JNTU, Hyderabad, in 2014, sir.
Okay. After passing out in 2014, what have you been doing all these years?
Sir, I have been recruited for NMDC Iron and Steel Plant, a public sector undertaking, in 2015, and since then I am working for the same company here at Chhattisgarh, sir.
Okay, you have put a vast experience in this steel company. Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
Sai Krishna. When did you conceive this idea of preparing for engineering service examination?
Sir, I have started my preparation in 2018, back in 2018. So since then, I have been trying every year to get into engineering services, sir.
Okay, this was your, I think, third or fourth attempt.
It is my third attempt, sir.
Third attempt. Very good, Sai Krishna. Very good, Sai Krishna. See, what did you learn from your first attempt and from second attempt? How could you achieve in the third attempt?
So the mistakes that I have made in first two attempts were actually very helpful for me to achieve success in the third attempt, sir. Good part is that I have not repeated the mistakes that I have made about the past couple of times.
Okay, Sai Krishna. What type of mistakes that you have made in your first and second attempt?
Sir, it was actually, fortunately, I have cleared my prelims all the three times, even in first and second attempts. So it was mains where I have been becoming a failure for the past two times. So I have asked my seniors and few guidance from coaching institutes like ACE Engineering Academy have helped me a lot in achieving success this year, sir.
Okay, very good, Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna from ACE Academy, what type of coaching program you have availed?
Sir, in 2018, when I have taken my mains test series in ACE Academy, my answers were actually sent back after evaluating at ACE Academy. And although I could not succeed that year, after that I have those papers came in handy for me for next preparation. And similarly, the postal study course which ACE Academy has sent me here in Chhattisgarh, they were very helpful for me, sir. And moreover, added to that, test series which I have subscribed to were very helpful in minimizing the mistakes and to get success, sir.
Okay, very good, Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna, in this engineering service examination, we have prelims, then mains, we have interview. All the three
Yes, sir.
shifts are there.
Yes, sir.
So, what was your methodology of preparation for prelims and for mains?
Sir, it was like first come first serve. First, I have prepared focused only on prelims, and right material and right way of preparation will help in achieving anything. I believe. So I have fixed my material, and that was actually very minimum amount of material that I have used for preparation for both prelims and mains. I have used ACE Engineering Academy's material as well. And then I have just started with a test series and previous engineering services questions. I've bought one previous engineering services question booklet for prelims preparation, and then after I got through in prelims, I have started working on previous engineering and civil services and forest services question papers, which have helped me to clear mains as well.
Okay, right. Now, apart from ACE Academy postal coaching material, did you prepare yourself any additional short notes as such?
Actually, because I have been working for a public sector undertaking, I usually get very less time because we are actually setting up a steel plant here. So it takes more amount of time at plant itself. So the more actually the material which I have prepared during my GATE and ES preparation back in 2018 were helpful. As such, I did not prepare any short notes recently, sir, and the study material which have been sent by ACE were very helpful because I used to take screenshots or I used to take photos of these material and I used to read in plant whenever I get time.
Okay, Sai Krishna, while working in a company, preparing rigorously for engineering services, it requires a lot of dedication, motivation, some inspiration. Is it
Yes,
not?
sir.
So, how could you derive that motivation, inspiration?
My friends used to always motivate me for whatever I do, sir. they used to just recognize the potential that I have, they say. So I also believe in myself that I can achieve greater heights with the preparation that I have put in. So in that way it was very helpful. It was mainly through my colleagues and my friends who have motivated me throughout my preparation.
Very good. So your friends are your motivation, right? Very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Very good, Sai. And one more thing, daily, how many hours you used to get for a preparation?
Sir, I used to dedicate around 5 to 6 hours per day, sir. I used to read at least 3 hours in morning and then at least 2 to 3 hours in evening after coming back from office.
Okay. So daily around 5 to 6 hours you used to prepare, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So this 5 hours approximately daily, what you used to prepare. Did you prepare only one particular subject? Otherwise, you went more than one subject
No,
daily.
sir. It actually I used to plan one subject for morning and another subject for evening. Like in paper one, I used to, if I take thermodynamics and heat transfer in the morning session, I used to take strength of materials and engineering materials in the evening. It was like balancing both the papers.
Right. So morning you went for one paper and afternoon another paper.
Evening another paper. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how you used to do the revision work? At what interval you used to go for revisions?
Revisions usually I used to do in the evenings itself, sir. And sometimes when I get time in plant during lunchtime or during breaks, I used to just check my mobile because I used to take photos of these material whatever I've prepared earlier, and I used to go through them in free times.
So many youngsters are using that smartphone for their social network like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. But in our case, something different. Use your smartphone for the revision work.
Yes, sir.
That is something very interesting, Sai. Very
Thank you, sir.
interesting. Very interesting. Right. Uh, and tell us something about your mains, because in the case of mains examination, that's what we said earlier, right? You could clear the prelims all the 3 times,
Yes,
but
sir.
mains you are facing problem. But this time you could achieve it with a very good rank 8. So I
Yes,
think
sir.
you might have made a rigorous practice of the questions in a QCM
Yes, yes,
format, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Any other further special strategy for the main spot?
Sir, actually, I got enough time during this lockdown, and because of the postponement of mains exam to October 18th, I got enough time to focus on previous engineering services questions and previous civil services and IFS question papers as well. So I have fixed my boundary and I have fixed my uh, the amount of material that I have to study or practice, and I've just pumped in the energy that I have to put in and the efforts I have put in.
Right.
So I just thought that these previous questions and test series of AS Engineering Academy as well. So these two are the main things. And wherever I used to get any doubts, I used to refer to some standard textbooks and I used to come back and solve the questions. And solving the numericals and going through the theory part are the key to success, I believe, sir.
Okay. Mechanical engineering, there are many subjects, right? So, for which subjects you used to refer to some textbooks?
Sir, I used to refer like PK Nag for thermodynamics and power plant as well. And for a few, for strength of materials, I used to read Punmiya. And for engineering materials, I used to go for Callister and also something like that.
Okay. Then how did you manage this general studies and engineering aptitude paper?
Sir, actually, fortunately, I got January 2020. I got ample of amount general ability. As such, I get technical subjects rather than general studies, but I don't say that you have to skip general studies completely. But I used to practice mathematics and drawing, engineering ethics and environment, project management, everything. I used to, as I said, that I used to take the photos of these subjects and I used to study them because most of them are theory related, and practicing previous questions and practicing AS Engineering Academy's test series will bring out success, I guess, sir.
Okay. Very good, Sai. On the day of a mains examination, see, in your mains examination, selection of questions and the time management are the two key factors.
Yes, sir.
So how could you do that in your examination actually?
Sir, whatever mock test during the mains I used to take, I used to think that this is the final exam, like this is the final exam that I am taking, and I believe that whatever we do during practice will do the same thing at the main exam, sir. So even if it is like doing mistake or anything, that everything I used to count and note it down on a paper, and I used to believe and I used to think that I should not repeat these things again. And what I fundamentally am a staunch believer that I should not repeat, rather I should minimize the mistakes. Whatever mistakes that I can do, that I have to do in the test series itself, and in the final exam I have to minimize them. If possible, I have to make them zero, I used to think, sir. And one more thing is that these the material that AS Engineering Academy has sent me were really phenomenal, sir. They have helped me in pointing out which subjects to focus more on and which subjects to take more time.
Right. Right. Very good, Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna, tell us something about your interview experience, 2, 3 interesting questions, etc.
Sir, my interview was held on March 18th, sir. It was in the afternoon session. I was called at 1 o'clock. My interview started at around 4:10 or 4:15 in the evening. I was the last person to be interviewed. After that, Manoj Soni sir was the chairperson. And after that, he just asked a brief introductory of myself, and then he started with my hobbies. I've mentioned playing badminton and reading Ramayana and Mahabharata as my hobbies. So he started asking questions from Ramayana, which parts of Ramayana did I read, and Mahabharata, which parvas I have completed and all, and what are the leadership qualities that we can learn from those scriptures, and how do we implement it in real life, and all he asked. After that, he continued with my BTech projects. He asked, because it was something different. We have actually manufactured one buggy vehicle, all-terrain vehicle in our BTech for our final project. So that drew his attention towards that, and he asked about the intricacies of the project, and I have explained him. So these were only areas which chairperson have asked me, and remaining questions were related to technical, sir, mostly from production technology.
Okay. Okay. Production technology. Only one subject. Any other subject?
No, sir. Ma'am, she asked me about production technology a little more, and then
Other subjects. Other subjects.
other subjects are like power plant and engineering materials, sir. Because I said that I'm working in steel plant, they focused on engineering materials.
Okay. Okay, Sai Krishna. See, being the topper in your engineering series examinations, All India rank 8, what are your suggestions and tips for the future aspirants of engineering series examination, particularly in mechanical engineering?
Sir, I just say that just fix the boundary. Don't run after different materials. Just fix your material and limit to only a few material. Don't go for much material. And then revise as many times as possible. Revision is a key factor, sir. Limiting the study material and taking more number of revisions is the crucial part.
Right. But and moreover, how to derive that what you call interest and motivation till you reach your goal?
Sir, I usually, my friends used to motivate me, sir. My colleagues and my friends used to say that I have that potential, and they used to motivate me all the time. And related to subject, I used to switch to other subject if I get anything down, or if I get depressed in one subject. I used to take on another subject, either from paper 1 or paper 2.
Okay, one last question, Sai.
Yes, sir.
In your long journey, you have joined a job in 2014, 5 years after working, then you started the preparation of engineering service examination, and
Yes,
in
sir.
third attempt you got it, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
in this long journey, have you ever come across any sort of demotivation, boredom, anything as such, and how could you overcome that?
Yes, sir. There were a few instances where I got demotivated. I used to just take a small break, and I used to come back, because that preparation for engineering services used to haunt me every time that I have to do this. So I did not take much time. Even though I got depressed at few moments, I used to come back again from that depressed state, and I used to focus again on my studies, sir.
Like, very good, Sai Krishna. I
Thank you,
once
sir.
again congratulate you.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you for sparing your time and sharing your experiences. I
Thank
hope
you, sir.
our discussion, what we had through this interaction, may help many engineers who are working in different companies in different capacities, especially in the many engineering students, they aspire to crack the engineering service examination after working in a company for 2 hours, for 2 years, 3 years, like that. I think you should be the best example for them. Right? If you
Thank
have
you,
a
sir.
strong dedication, motivation, nothing can stop them, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Even after 4 years, 5 years of experience, also you can start, you can crack the exam. That's what you
Yes,
have
sir.
proved. That's what you have proved in your case.
Yes, sir. I just believe that focus and perseverance, laser-like focus and perseverance will always bring success to whatever we achieve, whatever we plan to achieve.
Right. Okay. Well done, Sai Krishna. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your parents must be very proud of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Take care. And
Thank you, sir.
once again, congratulate you and wish you all the best in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.